up guys, Jeeps here. Just got done detailing my car right here, and then also this little C-Class here. We go to the same people to get our cars detailed. Looks absolutely stunning in this monsoon season. Yeah, so today we're gonna be doing a couple different things. You know, pretty basic stuff, but I'm gonna be, throughout the video, just giving you some information here and there, and that'll be that. But the main part of it is free batteries at Ford. All right, so the first stop for today, we're gonna get the tires rotated on my car. If you're not familiar, I did make a video while, I'll link it in the description below, but I have the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500. So I'm gonna get those rotated. It's been about 4,000 miles since I got them done, and with it being a softer tire at first, you want to get them rotated usually between 3,000 and 5,000 miles, probably closer to 3. So that's the first thing I'm doing today. Gonna get these switched out and then on to the next thing. So I'm currently sitting in Bash's eating lunch here. I got about an hour and a half until the tires are rotated. There were a bunch of people in front of me and I didn't have anything scheduled. We're gonna eat some mashed potatoes, some Greek pasta salad, and have a little conversation. What I'm talking about with the free batteries is I was at work and I was telling basically when I went back to Pennsylvania, I didn't drive my car for about 11 days. So when I came back, my car had barely started. The battery was just weak. So, and I've also had the car for about 3 years in November. So with batteries being out in the heat in Arizona, heat is awful for batteries. It reduces the life substantially, especially here with the extreme heat we get. So it was just time. And at work, I was telling my coworker, hey, I'm going to the Ford dealership after work. I'm going to get my battery replaced. He's like, why are you going to Ford? I'm like, well, the car's under warranty. They should cover it. And I wasn't 100% sure if they'd cover it, but I just was comfortable going to them and just seeing what they said. He tested it. It was definitely weak. So they replaced it, and he goes, yeah, this is totally free. And also, they have a 3-year warranty on the batteries. So anytime within 3 years, if you need to replace it, it's free. Also, since I just replaced it at the, about 2.5-year mark, after 2 years, you know, it resets those 3 years. So another 2.5 years down the road, if the battery fails, I'm totally good to get it replaced for free. So let's say it's in the 4th year and I need to get the battery replaced. That is just a prorated cost of the battery, so you're still not paying full price. A lot of people would tell you to just go to Pep Boys or Advanced Auto Parts or somewhere like that to get a cheap battery. But really, if you go to the manufacturer, in this case, for Ford, it should be the same across the whole United States. You should be able to get a free battery, or you should be able to get a prorated amount based on how long it is. I think after a 5-year period, you would have to pay. But just good information to know after they test it and prove that, yes, it is weak, and they will replace it. So don't go to these third-party manufacturers. Even the guy at the Ford dealership told me, he's like, it's the same garbage battery that everyone else sells, but it's free from us. So I thought that was pretty convincing. All right, so lunch is complete. To be honest with you, I wouldn't recommend that. I'm definitely gonna have a blowout later. Currently stranded carrying this female's Vera Bradley bag around because I was dropping it off to my fiance, but she is currently at the mall with her friends. So but really, I'm just waiting for my car to be done. There's a bottle of wine in there. I just didn't want to leave it bake in the car. So let's take a look at some of your comments on one of my previous videos here. Just bought an ST, ... fuck you, F-O-K-U. Okay, give that a heart. I've been watching your video for over 3 months. With all these detailed videos, I finally walked my ass down to the dealer and walked out with the 2018 ST1. Congrats on that, Mario Castagnata. With 5 miles on the odometer, I've had build quality issues, interior, which I don't care much for, #racecar, but the engine seems a little rough at idle from time to time. Other than that, I'm completely happy. I want to say thank you from one guy in Southern California. Thumbs up. Thank you, Mario. Glad you liked the videos, and there are plenty more to come, as I always say. What else here? I took one of these cars for a test drive. This is Vivid Vivix. I took one of these cars for a test drive the other day. I'm coming from a Miata, so take that into perspective. I drove with the dealer guy and hit maybe 130 for sure in Mexico. You definitely got to do that in Mexico. Long story short, I bought the car the next day after mechanical checks and have been in love since. Thumbs up. You got 2 thumbs up now. Harrison, and yeah, the last video I posted with the shit BRZ owners say that it didn't do very well. I think it only has like 800 views or 700 some views. I thought that one would do better. I guess right now what we're waiting for is, yeah, so we're just waiting for my car to be done here, and it's actually kind of funny. I got an email from Discount Tire already, your Discount Tire invoice, which is $0. It's free to get it rotated there. And they have my Focus listed as a 2016, which is correct. And it says sedan base titanium model. What the hell? It's an ST, damn it. No respect there. But yeah, that's it. So also the next upgrade I will do, aesthetic upgrade I'm gonna be doing is I got some mud flaps or mud guards. So I'm gonna reveal that in a separate video and do an install and everything. Guessing you guys probably wouldn't expect the ones that I got. So I think you'll really enjoy that video. I have those at home. Got them in the mail earlier this week. So that is coming up. But yeah, let's I think I'm gonna head back over to Discount Tire, just sitting there and all right, so we got the car, we're all set to go. They rotated and balanced, everything is good to go. They actually found a nail in one of my tires, which I had no idea because there was no leak or anything like that. So they pulled that out, no issue. Took care of it all for free. So that's why I love Discount Tire. They just take care of you. So next thing I need to do is drop this bag off that I've been carrying around that is, I already said that. Just got done cleaning up my car. It just looks beautiful. Got it cleaned up, so I'm gonna actually head back to the apartment now. I think I'm gonna go to the Pavilions meet tonight, meet up with Dana, take a look at his NSX, talk about some things. So that'll be next. But before that, let's do a quick walk around to the ST, take a good look at anything on it. Really, it looks pretty damn good. There is, just had another person at my apartment complex do this to it. It's like a cut that is, it's like didn't dent it, but it cut the paint off of the car, so it really sucks. Just one thing after another. No one respects your property at an apartment complex. It sucks. But I got the tires rotated here, so that's all good. But yeah, it's looking pretty darn good. It's so hot out here. So Dana and I are currently going out to oh, I forgot about all the cleaning stuff in the back. We're currently going out to the Pavilions meet. We're gonna go to the go-kart track first and get signed up to do that. But it's getting a little dark out, so I'm probably gonna end the vlog here shortly. If you don't know who Dana is, check out the description below. I will have the video link to his NSX. It is absolutely beautiful. He let me drive it and review it, so that was really fun. We were just running around looking at car dealerships. We went to the Alfa Romeo dealership, and they have the Quadrifoglio. They have 3 of those in the showroom, and they also had the Stelvio Quadrifoglio. So it was really cool. I'm really surprised that they had that actually stocked in there, but I bet they're not selling well. So the other thing we saw, they have 2 M2s over there at BMW. Looked at a couple other things, but yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. 32,634 miles on the ST. Got the tires rotated today, cleaned it up by hand. So hard to get this car clean with hard water and all that stuff, and it's so hot outside it dries immediately. Yeah, but just looking at the booty of an NSX right now, and it's a good view. Can't keep up with him at all. He's probably quarter throttle, but yeah, it's fun whipping around. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I don't know if I'll show any footage of the go-kart track or any of that stuff. Probably not. I don't really have a way to hold the camera, but maybe sometime I will do that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're still with me in the video, please like, share, and subscribe. You know, actually just like. You don't have to do the other stuff, just like it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what else you'd like to see with the ST or anything else. If you're in Phoenix, you want me to meet up, do a car review or something like that, send me an email, and we can meet up. But that is all. We'll see you next time.